Hi there. In this demo, I'm going to walk you through a real-world example that many experienced e-commerce merchants often run into. Setting up conditional shipping fees to support sales campaigns and encourage customers to buy more. Offering free shipping under specific conditions is a proven way to drive higher spending and boost your store's average order value. Today, we'll look at how one US-based home and garden brand sets up a simple free shipping campaign using a product price threshold. Let's get started. If your objective is to charge a $10 standard shipping fee for smaller orders, but offer free shipping when customers spend $100 or more on vases, setting up custom shipping is the way to go. To start, we'll set up a custom shipping profile, so the free shipping rule applies only to vases, without affecting the rest of the products in your store. Step 1. Create custom profile. Go to your SHOPLINE admin's shipping and delivery page. Scroll down to the custom shipping profile section and click Create New Profile. Let's name this one Vase Shipping. Now, add all the vase products that are included in this promotion. Step 2. Add a shipping zone. Next, we need to define where this rule applies. Under Shipping Zone, select United States. Step 3. Set the first standard rate for orders under $100. Let's set the shipping rate for orders where the total vase value is below $100. Click Set your own shipping rates and name this rate, US Domestic Standard Delivery. Keep the charging method as fixed shipping. Click Add Conditions and select by total product price. Just a quick note, in SHOPLINE, price ranges are calculated as up to, but not including the upper limit. So $0 to $100 means any order less than $100. So in this case, set total product price $0 to $100, rate $10. This means if a customer buys vases totaling $99, they'll be charged $10 for shipping. Step 4. Set the second rate for orders over $100. Now let's create the free shipping rule for orders over $100. In the same shipping profile, click Add Range. Set the price range as from $100 to, say, $9,000, or any high value to cover large orders. Rate $0. Click Done, and then save your settings. Step 5. Test the setup. Let's check if it works. First, I'll add vases totaling less than $100 and enter a US shipping address. At checkout, we see shipping method, US Domestic Standard Delivery, shipping fee is $10. Now, I'll increase the cart value to over $100. At checkout, the shipping method stays the same, but shipping fee is free. Perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. And that's it. We've just created a simple conditional free shipping promotion based on total product price. You can apply the same logic to other campaigns, whether it's based on order value, weight, or quantity, all using SHOPLINE's flexible shipping setup.